This is a vertical form fill seal machine. And just moments ago, this bag was flat film and loose coffee beans. So how does that happen? Well, three things go on inside: the weighing, the bag making, and the sealing. Everything starts with a bulk tip. A vibrating feeder carries the product up to the platform at the top of the machine. And this is where it all lands first. The multi-head weigher, 10 heads around a vibrating cone. This thing is really the brain of the machine. Let me break it apart so you can see what's going on. The cone in the middle spreads the beans outward onto these feeder pans, like spokes on a wheel. Each pan feeds a pull hopper. That's just a holding bucket, no scale yet. The real weighing happens right below it. Every head has its own weigh hopper on its own load cell. Now here's the clever part: none of those hoppers hold the full amount. Each one holds a different small fraction of the target. And every single cycle the computer runs through over 1,000 possible combinations of those hoppers in milliseconds and picks the one that gets closest to the target weight without ever going under. Then only the chosen hoppers open, usually 3 to 5 of them. The rest hold onto their beans for the next round. If you tried this with one scale, you'd have to dribble the beans in slowly and creep up on the weight. Here the weighing and the refilling happen at the same time, so there's a perfect weighment ready on every cycle. From there, the beans free fall straight down into a bag that didn't even exist half a second ago. So where does the bag come from? Inside the machine there's a big roll of flat film. It feeds up and over this polished collar, which folds into a tube around a hollow pipe. A heated bar then welds the seam closed down the back, and the bottom of the bag is already sealed. That happened when the previous bag got its top seal. Which brings us to the last part. How do you finish one bag and start the next at exactly the same time? It all comes down to these jaws. One stroke makes 2 seals at once, the top of the filled bag below and the bottom of the next bag above. And hidden inside, there's a blade that fires between those 2 seals, cutting the finished bag loose. That's the theory, here's the result. The target here is 100 grams. This bag comes out at 100.6, and the next one, 100.9. That means your giveaway, the free product you lose over the target, stays under 1%, and on a high volume line, that saving alone pays for the machine. So you get a finished pillow bag with every stroke, and on our SAP 520 that's up to 80 bags a minute. And it's the same platform for different products. This weigher handles snacks and granules, there's an auger for powders, and a pump for liquids, 4 models from compact right up to large format. So if you're packaging coffee, spices or snacks in South Africa, we install, commission and support these machines right from Johannesburg. Tell us your product and we'll spec the machine for you. Head over to sapacman.co.za for a quote today.